last video, I explained what is an intuition. So now you know that we all are born with these powers, and many of you have shared your intuitive experiences. And I'm glad you're enjoying this giveaway, and I'm also happy that you are happy with the angel card reading and the therapies what you're receiving. In case if you have missed the first video on intuition, it is recommended to first know more about the intuition before you dive in. You can check the video in the link in the I button, and I'll be also sharing in the description below. In today's video, we shall learn how to access your intuition at will, and it is easy, like we blink our eyes. So are you excited to be with me on this intuitive journey? For those who are here for the first time, I'm Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Today, let us discuss how you can receive intuitive messages and how to access your intuition. In order for you to listen to your intuition, you need to be on a higher frequency, and you will be happy to know that you are blessed with energetic senses and your power centers that can help you raise your frequency. Intuition is accessed with our psychic senses, also known as ESP, extrasensory perception. School teaches us that we are born with 5 senses, like you can see, smell, taste, hear, and you can feel with the touch. Similarly, you have 6 energetic senses other than the 5 senses. So there are total 11 senses. Since many of them are not aware of the additional 6 senses, so they call it as 6th sense. Senses through which you can see beyond the physical realm. These are the powers beyond your physical senses. Our 6 additional senses are clairvoyance, which also means clear seeing, where you can see beyond what other people can see with their eyes, with their physical eyes. Next is clairaudience, which also means clear listening, where you can listen to the inner voice nudging you and guiding you. Next is clairsentience, which is a clear feeling, and this is very commonly experienced sense where you tend to absorb other people's energy and also pain at times. All the details will be shared, and also I'll be teaching you how to protect yourself, and I will also help you identify your dominating senses in a while. Next is claircognizant, which means clear knowing, where you just know something without much effort or without external influence. The 5th sense is clairalience, which is a clear smell, where you connect with the spirit world with this power. And lastly, clairgustance, which is a clear taste. So you without eating anything, but you still get the taste. Are you excited to learn all about these psychic senses? We have all the 11 senses, but as you know, some can smell better than taste and some can hear better than see. Similarly, with these additional senses, we have few strong senses and few yet to develop. So today, let us understand what is your dominant strength. We can have 1 or 2 senses that are dominating, and if you are aware of your strength, it makes it easy for you to access and trust on your inner guidance. Now you can get a paper and a pen for this exercise. Pause this video if you want and get one. This activity will help you know your psychic strength. There are 4 questions, and each questions have 4 options. You just need to select one option that resonates with you. First question. When you enter a room, A. Your first thought is about how the room feels to you. B. You just know what happened there. C. You hear thoughts or fragments of conversation. And 4. You sense the vibration in the room. Second question. If you are faced with potential danger, A. You feel it before you think about it. B. You were alert just before the danger took place. C. You could see it before it actually happened. And D. You could hear some noises about it. Third question. When you want to make a decision, A. Is your first priority a need to feel comfortable with the solutions? B. Automatically choose the most logical course. C. Visualize all the possibilities. And fourth, you listen to your mind. Fourth question, the last question. Your present job has ended. To find a new job and your career, you first systematically buy every papers and analyze every ad. Second, you picture yourself in several different jobs and then search for the one that fits your picture. Third, answer only the ad that instantly strike you and you feel confident that the right job will come along. Fourth, choose a job because you feel comfortable with the people you meet when you were interviewed. Share your answers in the comment sections and I shall tell you which of your strength is powerful. Today you learnt about the 11 senses and you also realize that what could be your strength. Once you share your answers in the comment below, I'll be guiding you what is your strength, which of the clairsentience is strong in you. In the next video, I shall share more details of the senses and how to tap into each individual psychic senses. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet done it and press the bell icon so you receive the notification as soon as the new lessons are posted. Please let me know what are your thoughts on this topic in the comment section and any questions if you have regarding intuition. If you have learned something new today and you found my videos worth it, do share with your family and friends and let's together make a difference. But even if you did not, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.